at her again today. So happy all those logs are up. Now it's time to focus on the roof. We got a bit of a windy weekend coming, but not a lot of rain. Temperatures are not bad, so we're going to crack right at it. The guys are coming down again, a bunch of buddies of mine, and we're going to put a roof on that bad boy right there. Stay tuned. Yep. Another side? What's your name?
Rudy?
A Rudy who? So if you look at so this mark here actually shows.
Happy birthday to Colin. It's
Hi.
your birthday?
Yes.
It is.
Holy cow, happy birthday!
He wants something to fix it.
You're on Fox Channel. Say hello. Hi.
Hello, Colton. You having a good day? You brought up a lot of wood for me. Thank you.
Here is the one behind the camera. Colton.
Is extra. The man, the myth, the legend. Arrivederci. Another full one. Well guys, the last thing I figured today was that that roof was all going to go up in one day. Trusses and sheeted over. All we got left now is the gable ends and the ladders. Other than that, the roof is up. Another day to shingle it later on. Look at that boy starting to take shape even more so. Again now boys, this would never happen without the very best bunch of fellows. How thankful am I. Hitting it up, Melanie?
Awesome.
Huh? Roof is up.
The bestest friends.
The bestest friends as ever. Amazing. Oh my. Looking good, looking good.
We'll see you next time.
Guaranteed.
Guaranteed. So until next time guys, take care of each other, get outside and enjoy everything outdoors. Until next time guys, take care of each other, get outside and enjoy everything outdoors.
And we'll see you next